was the top stories. Elector verification program launched at CEO Complex, Imphal. Effigies of Chief Minister Biren, school principal burned over baby Sana's death. And Meghalaya, Mizoram and Manipur on high alert after final NRC publication in Assam. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Suraj Khongbantabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Elector verification program was launched at CEO Complex, Lamphel today. The state-level elector verification program will be held for 45 days to verify all the voters in Manipur and give detailed information about the rights of voter and legal age for voting. As a part of the program, an outdoor campaign will also be observed and 666 common service centers in the state will be made available to the public. The program will facilitate voters to verify their details through the nearest CSC or can visit the website www.nvps.in. Speaking on the sideline of the launch, Chief Electoral Officer of Manipur, PK Singh, said that people's support is important to reach the targeted stage. He added that 400 CSCs will be enough to cover the entire valley region and will work hard to include everyone in the hills as well.
Or the latest water, telephone, electricity, gas connection bill for that address, either in the name of the applicant or in the name of their parents or near relatives. Now, if you give this document, this will be uploaded as a proof of verification done by the voters. Earlier, we used to do this exercise only the SDO officers, DC officers, about 50 of them. This time, about 750 test points are there. So the voter just needs to walk out, go to about half a kilometer, go to the common service center with one of these documents and get the verification done. We are now going in a campaign mode for issuing new PVC color epics with security features. This is the right time that people can give their colored photographs and apply for a new photo iCard. It will be a proper smart card, it will be an epic PVC epic with their photo with the latest address, and they can use it elsewhere also. The days of that black and white epic is over. Most voters, some of them have lost the epic also, they don't know what to do. This is the right time to apply for the epic and take it.
Members of Thamaiban Sinam Lekai and Yumnam Lekai Mera Paibi organizations today burned the effigies of Chief Minister N. Biren and Landhoni, the principal of Standard Robert High Secondary School, Kanchipur, at Sinam Lekai in demand of justice for baby Sana. Taking part in the protest, advisor of Sinam Lekai Mera Paibi, Roma, expressed unhappiness over what she said Manipur government's attempt to show the protest in bad light. She said arresting innocent people will not bring the solution. She criticized the government for launching a hunt for the victims' family members. Roma also condemned the government for keeping mum when the health condition of the arrested JAC members have deteriorated inside the jail. She also expressed dismay over the inability of the state government to hand over the baby Sana case to the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI). She further appealed to the masses to come out and support the 48-hour ban called by the baby Sana JAC beginning tomorrow.
Sarkar na kuitan tanadana lepham chapom khangdadana ngasi yum cholonjandana cheliba dharmagi wangwadani makhuna tawriba khongthang asi amadi loina na je shigi mioi kaya ama nupa nupi khaktana phana na honarakpada akoi yumthong khudimukta thiba humbagi thabak satharakpa masibu su aikoina pende hayengi banasi sogatpiu amadi punna sogatminasi haiba wafam asi akoi media gi thongda thamjari loina na ngasi dagi athengbadagi akoi gi section tharang oina akoi police singna mafam khudimakta leikhraба taragasu akoi di tawda bayada bai thawdang ni khallaga amadi je sigi convener mayam ama phagrasu je sinupa nupi mayam ama phagrasu lehori bai khoina tawda bayada bai thawdang ni haidana lam dagi chongthokpirau amadi banasi mapung phan se haina khoin media gi thongda thamjari.
Superintendent of Police Imphal West K. Meghachandra today rejected the accusation as baseless that the family members of Baby Sana are being hunted by the state police. He claimed that some people are trying to defame the police department in the eyes of the public. During a press meet held at the conference hall in his chamber, SP K. Meghachandra further said that the investigation into Baby Sana's death is undergoing with transparency. So far, statements of 40 people have been recorded and 5 people have been arrested, and there have been talks with the agitating Baby Sana's Joint Action Committee for 5 times, he added. The SP further said that people can come to his office if they want more information about the investigation process into the death of the 13-year-old girl. SP Meghachandra added that causing inconveniences to the public by imposing band and strikes and hindering the investigation process will not bring any positive solution. He suggested for holding talks with the agitating groups, saying that for this, the doors of the police department are widely open.
Yes, I am open-ended over Satra Sangsan, my mamma going around the Sodom family. At the Gideon Masi Kautana, UCM, Amuko, civil society, mayam, Lak Pidana, Karikari Lege, Dudia, Toraga, Giantana, Sanction of Sida. Me Manga Tarana, Adum Poche, the real Dona Bohonabagi, Mami Matai, statement Logesu, Masi cooperation, Kitang Wale, Koichat Laga, Narang Tobuni, Adu Yum Tong Lolaga Lere. Kanamta late have a mediagi, Mayamama Lai, Pazana quarterly koi me pab to late, Pasupade, Yum Sanga statement, Lauda Bayadre, Maram the group of people Karana, wrong propaganda, Sanara ladies, a coin up as a way evidence lady. Madu media hector me pagre, Paragadi koi arrest Tauraga, Kaya, Zil the Tazinbra, Natragana, quarter putopra, Adum, she Adum. Ilai evidence ki wani masigi maraksida ban kaubase maramcha dabra idana ai thamjage mioi kharagi propaganda da lebak praja mayam waminabagi thabakse tawgumse dana ai haijage.
A high alert has been sounded in Meghalaya, Mizoram and Manipur after the publication of the final NRC in Assam yesterday. According to reports, names of 19,06,657 people have been excluded in the final NRC report, following which Meghalaya police conducted checking on national highways along the interstate border, especially in districts sharing borders with Assam. Members of the Khasi Students Unit KSU were also present at the checkpoints. Manipur unit of National People's Party NPP today celebrated the 72nd birth anniversary of former leader of NPP P.A. Sangma at lamjingbatomtv Palace compound in Imphal today. NPP members paid floral tributes to the statue of the leaders on the occasion. Chief guest of the function, Deputy Chief Minister Y. Kumar, in his speech stated that the party, which was formed by the late leader, has come a long way from a regional party to a national party.
We were not in touch with NPP. Mana NPP just only 2 MLAs katani kano that Meghalaya de leba aduga ka ayamasi mana magi kari haini magi mai khali wakal magi kano me amsi ayin kamidadi magi bacha nupa atomba konat samada siniramba mani adu konat samansu amuna khangaga hojiki khalaga hojiki hariba si darka oy habse mapana kari haini fulamba maru haigadra haidi haiba party se notice ki entire notice ki oina stand tona ba aduga issue khuding maktasu lawgadaba khokadaba aduguma se darka oyba aduguma party mo em darka oyse machan pada sinema mali.
Addressing the gathering, Health Minister L. Kumar stated that it is high time for people of the northeastern states to unite together as one. He also appealed for turning the dream of P.A. Sangma into reality.
For David Manaba, temperamental organ, Dam Torvaro was on Kamus, India, Kamus Labu. Mon Tadana Lobo to Maduri, Maduri Tomojela, you think no item, and not only Mega The whole notice, but the people's movement, National People's Party has room to
Manipur Laumilub observed 123rd Irawat month today at Rupmahal Theatre, Imphal. Advisor of Manipur Laumilub, Comrade A.C. Sharma, State Secretary CPI Comrade Laishram Sotin Kumar, Comrade Langol Iboyaima, Comrade Dr. M. Nara, Comrade N. Singhajit took the dais at the event. Addressing the gathering, L. Sotin Kumar highlighted on the current drought situation facing Manipur. He also said that September 11 will be observed since Jananeta Irawat reached Burma on this day and also Purvanchal was formed on this day. On September 21, 1948, Irawat went underground. Taking a dig at BJP, Sotin Kumar described the move of privatizing Air India as wrong policy. Sotin Kumar noted that many other airlines have vanished because of such policies of the BJP.
Tabumase, Yamaruina, Shuriba, Nomiba, Otpiraba, Miamgi, Mapungoba, Wafum Kayada, Karehena, Kupna, Nainabagaloina, Lepasida, Homba, Ownba Madudi, Shuriba Singa Ownba, Nomi Singa Ownba, Lomi Miangi Punchida, Adumba, Hena, Adubi Papa, Nabidam, the Karehena, Nainabagi, Tanjado, Madu Irabot, Celebration Logani, Mahaki Maruiba, Party, Communist Party, Marli Kalama Party, Communist Party na Irawat ki Mar Kongun Liba Loina, Mahaki Apamba Ningbado, Madu Fangnabonabada, and the Sumba Tabumase, Masi Paxana, Palon Tavogolena, Miam, Mikap Tohanaba, Honagani Haibo, Pomse, Miam, the Bogger Pijari.
Well, it's time now for a short break. But coming next, Elector Verification Program Mega Million 2019 begins.
Kangla food product ti iram dong dia seng mahong yeng dio garlic mixer khatanatana kangla gi ano food item singi maho kangla bada ngauroi do kana bu nei bi
Kangla
Manipur gi ahanba 24/7 cab service oiriba lamjingba cab na ahanba oina miyam gi damakta monsoon offer ama pijari bo offer adudi 5% discount on any trip or any package. Akupamorol Gidamak contact Tobio, Lamjingba Cab, Nagamapal Rims Road, Lamjingba Group Building, opposite to Lamjingba Nidhi Limited Imphal. Aikogi phone number 1800-1027-959, Natraga 8794613154.
sheer dreams in her eyes, dreams to fly, dream to bring a smile. Thanks AHM for making our dreams come true. AHM, a complete air hostess training institute.
Welcome back after the break. Election verification program and Mega Million 2019 in respect of Bishnupur district was today kick-started at the DC Conference Hall of Mini Secretariat Bishnupur. Deputy Commissioner of Bishnupur District, Nita Arambam, Superintendent of Police, Priyadarshini Laishram, several officers and students were present on the occasion. Artist of Shanghai Artists Association, Hemchan Haubizam was nominated as voter icon alongside 12 students of different constituencies of Bishnupur district were chosen as campus ambassadors. In this regard, Nita Arambam said that anyone can verify their voter card at any of the convenient common service center or SDO office. Voter verification program will continue till 15th of October, she informed. Representatives of 15 localities joined the Moirang Progressive Front and they were felicitated during a function held today. It is worth mentioning that the front was formed for bringing development in Moirang. Social worker T.A. Santi Singh, Chief Advisor of Moirang Progressive Front, Y. Madhu were present at the event. Social worker T.A. Santi said that Moirang constituency is lagging behind other constituencies with regard to development. Santi also urged all to work hard and bring about a change in the constituency. Manipur Affairs Educational Journal celebrates its first anniversary today under the aegis of Manipur Affairs Publication House at Manipur Press Club, Imphal. In this regard, Volume 2 of Manipur Affairs Educational Journal was also released. RDB Indian Service celebrated the 60th Foundation Day of Indian Oil Corporation Limited IOCL today. Chief Manager of State Bank of India, Secretariat Branch K.H. Okendro Singh, Sale Officer of IOCL Imphal, T. Hawkep, Proprietor of RDB Indian Service, G. Robindro and G. Brazamala Devi were present during the function. T. Hawkep, in his speech, underlined the importance of afforestation and using liquefied petroleum gas (LPG) by the masses to save the environment. Spokesperson of BJP Manipur Pradesh, R.K. Shiv Chandra, said that Kaisamthong Kendra, situated in the heart of Imphal city, has been deprived of welfare schemes provided by the government. He was speaking during an LPG gas and stove distribution function at Kwakit Hill. LPG gas and stoves were distributed to 55 selected beneficiaries under Prime Minister's Ujjwala Yojana.
Both had the Bible like the Razniti wala politician or Rubagi on the both had a hunting Badila Yaduga. Adu the Tadagiba that had a Kaiba Hangoiba to Lapio Mating Panzage. Adu Nasi, a gas Nasi Yelisuna, Roy Nasade, Masi, Mi Chani Muk Tagalakumatam, the maximum rejects a lake Kainoadi, Sigi bank account of Mumming Honoramba, Adhar Mumming Honoramba, the bank account of Mumming Amaleva, Adhar Mumming Amaleva, Suma Mayam Yaropanina, City. On record sat khidoni na phangba ngamdabani kamai tawna khoi self help group ki dumaina khoi lupa lising ahum pibaduna loiba nate sustain tawba hayeng waibok hingba yaba kari scheme tawgada ga de puthokcharaga Kaisamthong se khoi na kajadragasu model city ama model town ama or model constituency ama ohenjagani aibse aina miyam pham thamjari.
Manipur Fashion Week second edition, presented by designer Kumarjit Laishram, will be held at Trade and Expo Center, Lamboi Khongnangkhong from September 28 to 29. Speaking to media at his studio at Sagolbantera, Laishram said that the Fashion Week will promote handloom products of talented people of the state. The designer further said that the Fashion Week will also provide a stage in the trans model in both national and international platforms.
Program asigi koigi team di koigi helum da promote tawbani koigi weaver mayam se nupi fisabi mayam amadi nupa fisabi mayam amasu lairi suma mayam se koina suguma fashion events da koigi helum ga related oiba mayam se pothoga koigi international gi thakta hadi state not national amadi international gi thakta sugumba fashion events da koigi pothoga hena mayam na khangna na ba potto gi pandam da sinjabani aduga si khatanatana koigi inkhalakli ba koigi youth sing haitare koigi model sing su moigi platform pb ba moina akoigi suguma event asida koina moigi su chauna mapam happy aduga event asida koigi koigi hozik trans women sing ju koina support to boina moigi ju platform ma yaugani aduga model puna masing 38 model oigani nupi kuntra amadi nupa nipan oigani aduga hairiba program asida koigi mapalam dagi international gi oina koigi masak nairaba Miss World Tourism 2018 gi former Paula Josinaina masamaksu koigi mafam sida la aga koigi event asida promote to bada support to bada yominagani.
Acting on a tip-off, a team of Lilong police led by officer in charge Ajit Singh, backed by volunteers of Alada and Anjuman under the supervision of Superintendent of Police Thoubal, arrested a drug peddler along with 45.5 grams of heroin from Chongtham Nungai crossing near Laimi Hills. As per a report, the apprehended person has been identified as Muhammad Ilyas alias Tomba, age 65, son of late Muhammad Nizimuddin of Moizing Makhalikai. A Honda Activa with registration number MN01V6806 was also recovered from his possession. An FIR has been registered at Lilong Police Station in this regard. Defense Union Club DUC Charangpat Maninglaikai today said that a meeting was held to discuss the issue of job card holders. Volunteers of DUC Khongza Wangmanupi Lamjinglup, Pradhan, Panchayat members and womenfolk of the locality attended the meet. A press note mentioned that the issue was raised by womenfolk of Charangpat Maninglaikai, Thoubal through local media on August 25th last. It also urged the concerned department to look into the matter. An individual was found dead in a suspicious manner in Singhat Forest area of Churachandpur district early this morning, prompting locals to block road and storm Singhat police station in protest. The deceased is said to be one Ginlam Mollo, husband of Ngainu Mollo of S. Vengnum. He was mysteriously found hanging at a cow shed. As per sources, a team of Singhat police led by Sub-Inspector Beckmon trust Ginlam last night and later he was released. The police team was reportedly in civilian dress when they traced Ginlam on charge of peddling contraband drugs. The police team was also arrested his two sons. Feeling depressed, Ginlam left his home. After a frantic search, villagers found him hanging at the cow shed inside Singhat Forest this morning, the sources added. Let's have another short break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Half marathon run. Ichanupigidama. Haksang phaba khunai amagidama.
Half marathon run nasibu yaudi.
Lamthagadama from Sendra Sikhumdagi new mini secretariat DC office complex.
Organized by District Administration Bishnupur.
Powered by District Police Bishnupur.
Open category for all ages, men and women.
Form submission tawbagi aroiba date na September 10, 2019.
Kawiragano September 15, 2019.
For details, please contact 9378 121 752.
Salai Holdings Private Limited ki Smart Universal Academy bo August ki tang tara Nepal da Hotel Taj West and Bengaluru da Blind Wing India na sinba India Education Award 2019 yen tokpagi thorum da Best Digital School with CSR Initiative in Manipur 2019 haiba award amadi tang kun ni thoi da Delhi ki Tajman Hotel da Integrated Ichiverse na sinduna pangtokhiba 10th National Education and Business Summit 2019 da school asigi President Dr. Naringum Samarjit Singh da National Education Excellence Award 2019 pirakoda ngakoi leitna nungai ba phongdokchari.
Manipur ihan hanbo oina lamjingba jewelry na market ta phangba sana mayam sigi quality check tawbagi khudong chaba pijari. Adom gi leijariba sana da yauriba alloy amadi elements kaya gi chang marik chumna accurate quality amadi quantity ga loina na khanghanba ngamlagani. Lamjingba jewelry na pijariba khudong chaba asi lobihau adom gi sana adu sengi natraga sengde haibagi chingnaba du kokhanbiyo. Akupa marol gidamak Lamjingba jewelry da lengsinbirau.
Lamjingba jewelry, good quality is our priority.
Welcome back. Under the Poshan Abhiyan National Nutrition Month 2018 on the theme Poshan Ma was launched by Chief Minister N. Biren this morning at a formal function organized by Department of Social Welfare, Government of Manipur at the TRI Hall, Chingmairong, Imphal. The event was organized by Department of Social Welfare, Government of Manipur. Today's event was attended by several distinguished personalities.
Masa haksang pharoi karigi imagi khomlang du pitha agani angang singna ngasi masang thokpa mating leiba generation am semanga darkar waris bhan gi bhara amuk tuition gi bhara amuk school gi fee amuk toba matam na ngasagi kitang ai gi inkhol da gi thokcheri ba da profit khara phanga kanda mama oibi aina chaga da ba or masa oibi moi da pizza ga da ba sa school की फी थी बका बहान की भाड़ा थी बका दसत करे अंगावादी सेंटर सिंह से दा इसा सिंधु दा करी पिजरी गे सोशल वेलफेयर दा की पीरा इब चाना न बगी सेंग चाक से क्रमाई न पीरा इगे मनम गुन हवाई कोई मा कोई ना कोई दा उपाय लेते न पोरक के बाद मनम सेन म सेंग दु ओइरे ब्रा न तरकना अफबो ओइरे ब्रा क्रमाई तो गेस न चिंगबा मधुगी अखोई मंथली था खुदिंगी रिव्यू तौननबा डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल की कमिटी अममम aduga block level gi committee ama myam thuna semaga koi madugi WhatsApp group am hanga kanda piriba social welfare gi khudhang na tawriba weaving section gi weavers gi da piriba khudong saba sigi mayam sigi advantage lobiyo
achamba yumda leijariba pochina karamaina angangda machi oiba chinjak pigadage haibadu khaktani aikoi masen khangminagadorije adu khangminaraba matungda icha aduda nungsina tapna ingna pijabiba maduna aikhoigi tunggi samasi tinjang kaijang daba afaba samaj ma oibda soidana mateng pangani aduna leiriba message si ngasi aikoi mafam sida pulliba mipum khudingmakna Honorable Chief Minister gi miyeng makhada aikoi punna wasak minaraga hairiba message se aikoi gi leipak pungjau thinna aigi laikai da sanduaga leiriba mipum khudingda mateng pangminaraga masama u phaba tinjang kaijang daba samaj ma ohelasi.
Special Gram Sabha meeting of Borayangbi Gram Panchayat was held at the community hall of Khoizumantabe, Awanglekai yesterday. As a part of the meet, do's and don'ts for job card holders was deliberated in the presence of Block Development Officer of Moirang Block, K. Jadumani, Pradhan T.H. Binod Kumari, Upapradhan L. Mani Meite, ward members and job card holders of the area. Friends group of Churachan Higher Secondary School Imphal today conducted a one-day social service camp in an effort to keep the school campus neat and clean. The participants also planted 25 saplings around the school campus. Friends loaded every individual for extending monetary support and tree saplings for the program. During an official visit, the Upper Assam Divisional Commissioner Julie Sonowal today formally launched an e-office at the Sibsagar Deputy Commissioner's office. With this initiative, Sibsagar has attained the status of being the first district in this state to launch e-office, e-file management system. The 8th SUK state level spelling competition of Students Union of Kangleipak SUK was held at Johnstone High Secondary School, Imphal today. The competition was held in two categories, A and B.
Mayru Shingi, my talent sing asibu Malingi, Hidanabagi, Lambi Sida, Saruyaba, Aduni, Masida, Nasigi spelling competition, Asida, Nasigi final round at date 15, Mim Solda, Tokjaragani.
Muhurat for dedicated World Artists Union's new Sumang Kumhai title Lai was held at Performing Artists Center, Porompa today. Speaking at the event, writer of the play Bebecha Tongbram said that the play depicts the disparities between individuals in the society.
Tayong pansida laiba miyoy basingi marakta miyoy bana khaiba yaba lai do karino haibadu masigi lila sida miyamda koishal hangbaga loinana kogi miyam jengbiriba lila sibu nungsibiduna miyeng tabiba kuding ki thamoy nungda lai sigi wahan thak to lahenna ba hona jabani
yam kanna section lila sida kogi sangnaiba artist kharaju film gi ayam ju yaure adan lila se tawra siena haibri yamna haraw yara kibra aina yam penjaba nungaijaba haiba tare.
Volunteers of Voluntary Network for Green Earth Khangabok planted saplings remembering the departed souls of Khangabok. Speaking on the sidelines of the program, convener of the organization L. Devan expressed hope that people will take care of these saplings if these saplings are named after our dear ones. He further said that ahead of offering tarpan to the departed souls, there will be emotional attachment with the departed souls after the saplings named after them. He added that such initiative will help check the environmental imbalance. It is worth mentioning that the network has planted more than 3,000 saplings in the past 4 years. Langban Haikat Laikat Tamba Celebration Committee, Oinam observed Langban Haikat Laikat Tamba Numit at Oinam Community Hall. Traditional rituals were performed and floral tributes were paid to the departed souls of Oinam region. Let's take another short break. Please stay tuned.
Admission is going on for Ruman Technologies. Free computer training and other courses. Facilities available. Placement assistance. Free books. Traveling allowance for girl students. Government recognized certification. Free uniforms. For more details, please visit Ruman Technologies, Kwakaithil Bazaar, Imphal, near Manipur Rural Bank. Contact number 8787583445 or 8787304075. Mail us at infalwestpmkk@ruman.net or massmanipur@gmail.com. Ruman Technologies.
Welcome back. Irrawadh month celebration has kicked off at Irrawadh Complex, Babupara of Jiribam, organized by Jananeta Irrawadh Memorial Trust, JIMT Jiribam. People of Jiribam, led by lifetime president of the trust, Dr. Chandam Kamal Singh, paid floral tribute to the life-size statue of Lamjingbatomtv Irrawadh. Later, the function was formally begun by lighting lamps around the statue. It may be mentioned that JIMT has been celebrating the Irrawadh month every year. The trust will visit various schools and spread awareness on Hism Irrawadh besides organizing march past competition and cultural trips. Radiant E-Ride today conducted a cleanliness program at Sekmai Bazaar on the theme Go Clean, Go Green. Managing Director of Radiant Group, Nepram Romeo, said that keeping the environment clean is a must for keeping a check on climate change.
Cleanliness की ओइबा कोई सोशल सर्विस की ओइबा कोई प्रोग्राम से कोई थमजबनी अदुना यारी मखै मफम सिदा लुब नानबा अदु थमकांदा हेन एनवायरनमेंट दा कोइना पुसनजरेबा ई वेहिकल सिगा अनि सि पुंजन लगा हेन कोई ग्रीन मणिपुर की सेमबा वाहन थोक्सिदा हेना कोई फगनी हैदुना असि प्रोग्राम से कोई तबजबनी.
Members of Mairi Club MC Lakhipur Jiribam planted around 300 saplings at Lakhipur today. General Secretary of MC Lakhipur Jiribam L. Pibaren Maite said that the plantation will be held every Sunday and added that if everyone in Manipur plant more trees, it can fight global warming to some extent. Pibaren further appealed to all clubs of Manipur to plant more saplings in their localities. Churachandpur district yesterday mourned and paid respect to the 9 tribal martyrs who sacrificed their life for the cause of tribal rights when Manipur Legislative Assembly passed 3 anti-tribal bills in 2015. Thousands of people paid floral tributes to the 9 martyrs at the Tribal Martyrs Park. On the occasion, JACAA-TV convener H. Mangchin Kum expressed he was thankful to all for cooperation. He also expressed displeasure over non-fulfillment of a memorandum of understanding signed between the JAC and Manipur government in May 2017. One of the key demands in the MOU is creating of Lamka district. The 44th Manipur State Senior and 31st Manipur State Junior Kho-Kho Championship was kicked off today at UYICL ground of Thawal district. The championship is organized by Uyal Youth Information Club and Library Uyal under the supervision of Manipur Amateur Kho-Kho Association, Makka, Imphal. Altogether, 33 teams of women and men will participate in the tournament. Today's opening day function was attended by Thoubal Deputy Commissioner, and Bandana Devi, Additional Superintendent of Police Thoubal T.H. Desorjit Singh MPS, and others as main guests. In an opening match, SCEAS Dio Hirok defeated PYDC Cherapur. In another match, SYSCA Salungpham beat Jaka, while CHYDA Shanghai Yumpham defeated SHGIRCS Pangaltabi. A white male in his 30s who was known to police killed 4 people and wounded 21 others on Saturday in a gun rampage between the West Texas cities of Midland and Odessa that started with a traffic stop and ended when he was killed by officers, authorities said. The suspect hijacked a postal van and opened fire on police officers, motorists and shoppers before being shot dead outside a multiplex cinema complex in Odessa, police said. China and the United States began imposing additional tariffs on each other's goods today, the latest escalation in a bruising trade war, despite signs that talks would resume something this month. According to reports, a new round of tariff took effect from today, with Beijing's levy of 5% on US crude marking the first time the fuel has been targeted since the world's 2 largest economies started their trade war more than a year ago. President Ramnath Kovind today made 4 new appointments and 1 transfer for the post of governor in Maharashtra, Himachal Pradesh, Kerala, Telangana and Rajasthan. According to reports, BJP leader and former Uttarakhand Chief Minister Bhagat Singh Koshyari has been appointed the governor of Maharashtra, while BJP's Tamil Nadu Chief Tamil Sai Sodarajan moves to the Raj Bhavan in Telangana. Former Union Minister Kalraj Mishra, who was recently appointed the governor of Himachal Pradesh, has been shifted to Rajasthan. Let's now have the top stories of today's newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, Assam NRC final list 2019. Over 19 lakh excluded, 3.11 crore included in list. No solution should impinge on state, says MMWO. State officially declare drought hit. The People's Chronicle, State declare drought hit. This is asked to swing into action. Chief Minister Biren keen to replace toxic autos with e-vehicles. Bevishana's family members traceless as police continue search. Brown sugar worth rupees 5.14 crore seized, one hell. The Morning Bell, Manipur declare drought affected state with immediate effect. Crop failure over 50%. Over 19 lakh excluded from Assam's final NRC. Chief Minister distributes rupees 1.54 crore to 3,080 eco-club schools. International Overdose Awareness Day held. Death cases due to overdose on the decline following efforts of NGOs and MACs. Brown sugar worth rupees 5.14 crore seized. The Sunday Imphal Free Press. Government finally declares state drought hit. Crops across 70 blocks adversely affected. Police and government seems to be facing communication gaps. Chief Minister distributes rupees 1.54 crore to 3,080 eco-clubs. Assam final NRC list release. 19,06,657 people excluded. 3.11 crore make it to citizenship list.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Elector verification program launched at CEO Complex, Imphal. Effigies of Chief Minister Biren, school principal burned over baby Sana's death. And Meghalaya, Mizoram and Manipur on high alert after final NRC publication in Assam. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.